Hey there, it's February 9th of 2012, coming up on the 1-year anniversary of starting this restoration project. Getting close to the end. I just installed the center section of the exhaust yesterday, and it's pretty loud, but I thought you might like to hear what it sounds like. Here's a picture of it. You can see it's got about 70-inch primaries going into a Y connector, and then that's a chamber muffler like a Flowmaster, but this one's made by full bore. It's got a single 3-inch in with two 2¼ inch out. Of course, the pipe going in is 2½ inch, and as you can see in this picture, it extends into the muffler, so it's not really a 3-inch in. It's acting more like a pulse wave termination chamber than a muffler, and it's pretty loud. So let's check it out. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to give you a couple different rev ranges. We'll do idle, and then 2,000, and then 4,000, and then a few blips on the throttle.